Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. If you love to look up at the night sky and find it really relaxing, then you are gonna absolutely love this little nightlight. This is amazing. So this is from FLITI and it is a star projector, and you can use this as a nightlight or you can just use it to light up a room and add some ambiance, and it's really cool to watch. So what's also great about this is it's actually a Bluetooth speaker, and it works super well. So the little projector itself is pretty small and it comes on a little stand here. So you just put that down and you pop that on top, and then you can direct it wherever you want. So if you wanted it to fill a wall, you kind of point it at the wall. If you want it to fill the whole room, you can point it up, and it has a really big range. So what's nice about this is, of course, it hooks up to Bluetooth very easily, so you can use this as a speaker. And I found that if you put on some relaxing, chill music and you let this just project the stars, it is so calming and peaceful to watch. So there's different settings as far as brightness. You can put this on a timer to shut off at a certain time. You can change the colors. You can have more blue, green, white tones. You can turn the star part off or back on, and everything works with it really well. So if you are looking for a really unique little light to project beautiful starry scenes on your walls, on your ceilings, and in your space, then I would definitely recommend this little galaxy projector from FLITI. It works really well, it's beautiful, it's really calming and peaceful, and I think you're gonna love it. And that's my point of view.